Today, the owner of this dog waited for 2 months. A little rubbing saves a little time. First, poke into a circle. A lovely pair of eyes were chosen. A little strange. Keep rubbing. How to make wool felt. Just keep stabbing it. Keep stabbing and stabbing. Make a nose. It's lovely. This za-za-za sound is very nice. Making ears. Ta-la, a lovely pair of ears is born. The production process looks all strange. Start hair transplant surgery. Texture is sold. An important step to distinguish each pet and then make a shape. You can't have a beard without one. A little more retouching. Come and take a picture.